How to change document visibility. When managing your client's files in TaxDome, you will find three types of folders with different visibility or permissions. First, Client Uploaded Documents, which contains files that were uploaded to TaxDome by the client or by you on behalf of the client. Your clients can delete these files or move them to different subfolders within the same structure. Next, Firm Documents Shared with Client. Here your clients can see the files, but they cannot delete or manage them. And finally, the Private folder. Here you'll have a safe place for materials related to the client, but that they don't necessarily need to see, such as your work papers. To change the visibility of a document, all you have to do is move the file to a different folder according to the access level. If you'd like to prevent your team members from changing the visibility of a document or managing your files in general, go to the Team and Plans page under the Settings section, then click on the Team Members tab. Choose a team member and edit the team member's access rights. Finally, toggle off their ability to manage documents and save your changes.